Ever spent hours staring at a mountain of receipts, begging for a way to tame the financial beast? We've all been there. Thankfully, in today's digital age, there are a plethora of accounting software options aiming to simplify our money woes. One such option is Wave, a free accounting platform specifically designed for small businesses and freelancers. But if you're considering diving into Wave, a crucial question pops up. Can it connect directly to your bank account? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack the world of Wave and bank connections, along the way showing you how to leverage this powerful feature if it's available for your bank, and explore alternative solutions if it's not. So, why is connecting your bank account to Wave such a big deal? Imagine this. You no more have to manually enter every transaction, categorize receipts, or chase down missing information. Wave, through the magic of bank connections, can automatically import your transactions, saving you a ton of time and frustration. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's how it works. Wave uses a secure system to connect with your bank. You'll initiate the connection, select the specific account you want to link, business checking, savings, etc., and then enter your bank login credentials. Don't worry, Wave never stores your banking information. It simply acts as a middleman, grabbing your transaction data and feeding it into your Wave account. Now, the million-dollar question, will Wave connect with your bank? The good news is Wave boasts a vast network of supported banks and credit unions. We're talking major players like Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and countless regional institutions. But what if your bank isn't on the list? Fear not, intrepid freelancer. Wave offers alternative solutions. You can upload bank statements directly into Wave. It's not quite as seamless as an automatic connection, but it still saves you from manually entering every transaction. Here's a quick tip. Before diving into Wave, check their website to see if your bank is supported. Just a heads up, some banks might have limitations on how far back you can import transactions through Wave's connection. Now, let's talk security. Sharing your bank login with any third-party service can be nerve-wracking. Here's the deal. Wave employs industry-standard security measures to protect your information. They also never store your actual login credentials. On top of that, you can always disconnect your bank account from Wave at any time, giving you complete control. So, is connecting your bank account to Wave the ultimate solution? Well, it depends on your needs. If you crave automation and appreciate the convenience of automatic transaction imports, then a bank connection is a game changer. But if you're a privacy hawk or your bank isn't supported, Wave's alternative options like uploading statements still offer a valuable service. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Wave offers a robust free plan with plenty of features, and the bank connection functionality adds a layer of convenience that can be a lifesaver for busy entrepreneurs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.